All right, welcome to this to a quick tutorial. I'm going to be talking about a few things. How to use these free products that are online for you. You don't need to buy them. You don't need to purchase them. They're completely free to do your work, school work, or any business that you have that you need certain documents to complete or write or send to a friend. We're also going to be talking about Google Drive, Web Store, and TeamViewer. These programs are completely free. The last one is TeamViewer, the one we use to connect to your computer to do any consultations or any type of help IT that you need. So we're going to start off by stating that if you don't have Chrome, feel free to download it because you're going to need it for this tutorial. So basically go to your search engine and type in Chrome. And if you don't have it, and download it. So we're gonna dive right in. If you open up Chrome and you go to the top left where apps is, you'll see a few icons. And the first one's gonna be Web Store. We're gonna talk about that quickly and briefly. If you have certain ads that you don't want to see when you're watching YouTube or anything online, you can go ahead and click on block ads, and you'll see some extension that you can add to Chrome. So to the second one that we're going to be talking about is slides, equivalent to a power presentation. If you need to give a presentation or a PowerPoint slide in class or in a business meeting, you can use this. As you can see, there's templates, and we're just going to focus today on creating a blank one. So we're going to call it Windows 10 Tips and Tricks. Tips. That's going to be the second lesson that we're going to talk about, is these certain Windows tips on Windows 10, lesson 1. So for a slide, I'm going to use that. I'm going to go here to the right hand side. I'm going to click a background to it. I'm going to go here with my mouse, and I'm going to use the right button of the mouse and click it. And we're going to type new slide. So now we're going to have our second slide, which is, let's see, we're just going to call it operating systems. All right, so there you have it. We have 2 slides already. If you want to share this with anybody, instead of open up your email account and attaching, this has been done easy for you, so that you can share it with anybody and that you know. So we're going to type the email here. I'm going to type in view so that the person can only view this presentation and they don't have to edit it. If you want them to edit, you can select that. I'm going to add a note, whatever, and I'm going to send. Right now I'm going to cancel because I'm not going to send this to myself. And there you have it. You can create PowerPoint slides with this. You can save it. Email it as an attachment, download it as a PDF or a PPT, PowerPoint slide. So in case you need someone to work on this slide, you might want to share it so that they can edit it, and at the same time while they're editing you can see the edit as well. We're going to go up to this the third one that we're going to talk about is Google Drive. Basically this is like a USB, like in the cloud per se. So instead of having it physically on you, you have it available on the internet. So let's say I save anything on my drive, pictures, documents. I'm able to go to any computer and access that drive and locate my files. This comes in handy when you have important things and you don't want to lose the physical document if it's on the USB. If you lose your hard drive, the USB, or someone throws your pants inside the washing machine with the USB in it, this comes in handy. Files here are encrypted, so it's not like anybody can access them. They'll be private just to you. So the second one, actually the fifth one I'm going to be talking about is Sheets. Basically you have a spreadsheet here where you can do certain additions, formulas. You can add, like a spreadsheet. Some people do their taxes, restaurants do their math on daily whatever they made that day, So, for instance, if you have a number here, you can add it by putting the equal sign, SUM for sum, and you can highlight these two, close the parenthesis, and there you go, you can add it. So that's what basically Sheets does. We're going to be talking about your Gmail as well and these other icons. So basically, TeamViewer is the one we use to connect with our clients if anybody needs any IT work or any virus cleans or training on Office 365. We're able to give that. So hope you guys learned something. Please keep a note, like our page so that we can give you notifications when the next class is happening, which is a basic Windows 10 introduction on how to use Windows 10 and tips and tricks. So thanks for watching.